Hi folks, this is a short video on how I made and attached a cabinet to the wall. So as you can see, it's around 7 inches deep and it has 4 glass doors. In this one, I've attached 2 of it. Actually, it started quite a while back. So, a free cycler had donated a cabinet with 8 really nice glass fronted cabinet doors. So, I chopped this into 2 halves, and then one of the half I made it into a hutch for my workbench. You can see it right here. I posted this video before. And the other half was just kind of languishing around. So, I thought, hey, let's just kind of put it up on the wall. And you can see it turned out pretty good. It's in a small room that we have. It's still unfinished, but it's kind of there. So I started by adding support strips to the top part of the cabinet. This would help hang it on the wall. I located the studs, and what I did was to kind of support the cabinet. I added wood screws approximately 15 inches from the ceiling. These 2 wood screws would act as a support for the cabinet. I rested the cabinet on the wood screws that you can just about see it here. The cabinet was light, so it was possible to do that. Then I drilled a hole just above the support screw into the wood stud and then put a lag bolt into the stud in the wall. This would hold it quite securely. Did it on the right hand side, same story. So 2 lag bolts at the extreme edges and 2 screws hold the cabinet in place. So here it is in place attached on the wall. The challenge after I did all this was it was just too high. I couldn't reach it, quite easily. So I removed the screws and the bolts and took the cabinet down and kept cursing myself all the while. And then, again added 2 new support screws and hung the cabinet and then redid the bolts and the screws. This time it was a foot, 2 feet from the ceiling rather than the 1 feet, and definitely more appropriate. I added 2 shelves that I'd cut from scrap MDF, and then 2 of the 4 doors, the hinges were already attached. So I attached this back onto the cabinet. The other 2 doors, I'm still waiting on finding the hinges. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.